Welcome to English for Travel. This lesson will help you speak English on your next trip.
I have a booking. I have a booking.
My name is on the list. My name is on the list. I need a taxi. I need a taxi. How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? Where is the airport? Where is the airport? I need a map. I need a map. I am lost. I am lost. Can you help me? Can you help me? How far is the hotel? How far is the hotel? I want a window seat.
Of course. Let me check.
I want a window seat. My bag is lost. My bag is lost. I need to check in. I need to check in. What time is boarding? What time is boarding?
My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed.
I have 2 bags. I have 2 bags. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? I want a single room. I want a single room. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? I am allergic to nuts. I am allergic to nuts. The bill, please. The bill, please. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you say that again? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? I need a doctor. I need a doctor. I feel sick. I feel sick. My passport is missing! My passport is missing. Call the police, please. Call the police, please. I need to exchange money. I need to exchange money. Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? How do I get downtown? How do I get downtown? Is this the right train? Is this the right train? I missed my bus. I missed my bus. Can I buy a ticket here? Can I buy a ticket here? This is my first visit. This is my first visit. I am here on vacation. I am here on vacation. I am staying for 1 week. I am staying for 1 week. I love this city. I love this city. The view is beautiful. The view is beautiful. Can I take a photo here? Can I take a photo here? What is this place called? What is this place called? I want to visit the museum. I want to visit the museum. What time does it open? What time does it open? Is it free to enter? Is it free to enter? I need a SIM card. I need a SIM card. Where can I buy water? Where can I buy water? This is delicious. This is delicious. I had a great trip. I had a great trip. See you next time. See you next time.